and welcome in Seema Lifestyle. Today I am going to show you how to make softest and easy dahi vada. It is called dahi balla as well. It is very popular in India. It is my family recipe which I grew up eating. It is tangy, it is sweet, it is savory. It is like a snack and chaat. So let's begin. To make our dahi bada, we need some lentils. I soaked it overnight. I'm just having 1 cup of moong dal and quarter cup of urad dal. And I washed and soaked them overnight. Sometime if you don't have enough time, you can soak them just in hot water and few hours. So it is going to in my mixing jar. I'm adding some ginger and some asafoetida. If you don't have asafoetida, it's okay. So you can skip this one. So I'm using tiny water and then grinding it. I'm pushing it little bit. I'm not using any more water. If we need desperately, then we will use it. Okay, done. I'm transferring everything in my bowl. Our lentils is here. Can you see how thick it is? We need that thick. Oil is heated on medium flame and they are ready to deep fry. And we have to be careful. If oil is very hot, so they won't cook from inside, and if oil is very low, so they won't be fluffy. So medium heat and oil temperature must be like that. You can see. So I'm not going to put lots, just little bit at a time. You can see how fluffy and light they are. They are coming on top of the oil. So, and always why I use my two lentils, I would like to show you, because moong dal gives softness and urad dal gives a bite inside. So if we mix both of them, so they are very good combination for dahi vada. And my other ingredients are here as well. Some yogurt, some salt, some chutneys. I'm going to use some chutneys and some roasted cumin powder and some dry mint. So now back to our fry things. We will flip them to cook from both sides until they get golden color. Look at them, they look cooked very nicely. They are changed the color and they are quite crunchy from top of it. So I will take them out on my kitchen paper and then I will cook rest of them just like that. Okay, my vadas are fried and I'm using kitchen paper, so they will soak excess oil. And now I'm going to soak them in warm water. Like that, and leave them 5-10 minutes until they are very soft. Our vada are soaking in water and so I am squeezing them to take excess water out. You must have noticed that all the excess oil is coming out as well. So they are quite healthy. Here we go, and now my yogurt will go on top of them. So what I did in my yogurt, just mix some salt to taste. They will soak all of that very quickly and easily. They are very spongy, so they will soak this very easy. Now I'm going to use chutneys. It is coriander chutney, fresh coriander chutney. If you want to make homemade chutneys, please watch my other videos. It is wonderful. I'm showing 3 different chutneys, because that chutneys if you make at home, so your tastes will be different and wonderful. And now this is my tamarind chutney. Look at this wonderful delicious color. And they are very nutritious. And now I'm using just little bit red chili powder and some roasted cumin powder. It will give wonderful flavor. And some mint, dry mint. I'm crushing them in my hand and then using. Here we go, our dahi bada are ready to eat. So guys, you must try this recipe and enjoy with your friends and family. And please subscribe my channel for more fantastic recipes and happy cooking.